So here you go, David. This is, we didn't have a lot of time to chat. I'm not going to jump online with you and go through this kind of thing. But this is Claude Code. Okay, I use the CLI, and we've been working on a release. And in my release, I had migrations that I was working on, and I have all kinds of validation hooks and safety checks and things of this nature. But something happened in our deployment script, and I'm not sure what the problem is. It's just a control O there. And because of that, our migration failed, and I think it's causing all kinds of problems with my staging and my production. So I just asked a prompt, hey, here's these docs of how we do this stuff. We need to audit it because we made some changes, and obviously our production um, script failed, and it's not supposed to. It's supposed to do all these checks and things that we need to have automated as part of our CI/CD. And so I just said, hey, yeah, we need it. And it goes, all right, great. Let's go and audit this. Oh, sorry. I was trying to make it easier to see. Probably blew it up. Sorry to blow your eyeballs up. Okay, let's come back down. Okay, and then he says, okay, well, I'm going to send out these agents, these Explorer agents, to go and research this. And each one, it shows the tool uses, what they did, they come back, significant findings. He updates his internal sketchpad, basically planning thing that the new systems have built in, and then goes through and just runs through and checks all my RLS policies because I have a lot of security built around our data because the nature of the work we do is, it's SOC 2 HIPAA level kind of stuff, even more so actually. And then once those issues are verified, hey, look, I found some discrepancies and we need to update this plan again. And this nested fluttering valiant, it's just the sketch pad of, its internal, what he's thinking about. And I can go and look at it. I don't really need to. And then he says, okay, here's my plan because I am in planning mode. You can't see it, it's the bottom. And then because of the way the framework, the harness that I have built, the planning would be good anyway. But our planning is really excellent because we have safe and agile and other policies around code. And so he just lays out like, wow, we need to do all of these updates. And, um, we've got a ton of issues. And we need to go through these. And this is my plan. And you can't really see it because, eh. Let me But now, I have a policy of how we do things. It's in our contributions. MD file, just like any contributor contributing to a project, they have to follow those things. And you notice like that exact process of how he's going to do that and go through and work all this out is there. And I'm good with all this, honestly. Sometimes, you say, how do I check one against the other? Well, this is how I do it. I just copy all of this. And now we've got our very, very smart bot over here, 5.2, brand new one. Hello. We need a full safe architect type of review of the plan below. We've spent a lot of time updating our CI/CD and found that in the staging and prod releases, we are experiencing database migration failures due to old code and scripts for release that are not up to date. Claude Opus did an audit. Please check the audit and give your feedback. We are looking to really fix the technical tech debt that we've have accrued that is blocking prod MVP bench. Okay, and then I'm just going to paste everything in and let him cook on that. Okay, and then now I've got one AI checking the work of the other AI within the IDE, and that's how you do it. Now my breakfast is ready, so I gotta go. So once he cooks this up, then I'll take the reply. I'll reply back. It's probably gonna say something, so I'll go to 3, and I'll give that reply. And then we'll go back and forth until we come to consensus. And that's what the linear app will be. I mean, that's what the linear issue will be. Okay, I'll come back and give you screenshots of this.